So I'm kind of in a weird situation with this Craftsman. I got it working, runs really good, surprisingly. It was pretty beat up, but I was able to bojack a lot of older parts that I had onto the shelf onto this thing, and it runs good. I sharpened the blade. I've even used it to cut some of the grass, but it's got some sort of oil leak on this side of the engine. You'll see down there it's kind of wet. When I was running it yesterday morning, there was a little bit of steam coming off of it after I was done. And I saw some oil drip down around there. And of course it's going down below the deck onto the blade. Now, there's a couple different places where this thing could be leaking from. Hopefully it's nothing serious. I wish it was as simple as me just overfilling the oil, but I don't believe that's the case. What I'm gonna have to do though is pull off this cover, and most likely we're gonna have to pull the recoil off and see what's going on underneath it. And then I'm gonna have to move the gas tank back a bit, so then we'll be able to get to the recoil and see hopefully where this oil leak is coming from. So we've got 3 5/16 bolts. Just like that. Pull off dipstick tape. These are pretty simple, just 3/8. Let's get this thing off. Not seeing anything yet. Looks like this side's kind of wet. I'm gonna pull off the exhaust. We may be in luck. Looks like it's leaking behind the seal here for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a rag. I don't think I've ever had one of these seals leak before. Looks like it's where it's leaking from. Yep. You can see all the oil right here. So this is where all your valve springs are. Of course, your valve cover, and on flatheads, it's kind of like a more manual way to adjust these. But that's basically if you wanted to get to your valves, you'd undo the springs here. And of course, with the head off, you can push them out once the springs and the little retainer clips are off. I've got videos on that I've done in the past. I'm not seeing any other leaks anywhere else. I'm really interested to know why it's leaking from this, because the gasket itself looks fine. There's really no reason for it to be leaking. So as I was trying to get this gasket off, it literally just crumbled off and fell apart. So I'm gonna go and find another one of these on another machine, pull it off, and we'll swap it onto this one, and I think we'll be okay. So off a junk machine off the shelf, I grabbed this one. I think this one should be perfectly fine. Did not appear like it was leaking at all. So I'll just really quickly kind of give this thing a spit shine and shove it back on. we go. So I'm just going to throw everything back together. It's pretty much the opposite of how it came off. And of course, the exhaust goes back on. Perfect. So, and then just pound these back down. Alright, so I'm expecting this thing to start and not give us really any trouble. I gotta let it run for a while, see if that leak comes back. I don't think it will, provided that's where the leak was coming from, which I'm like 90% sure it was. This thing normally starts in 1 to 2 pulls. So there's probably going to be some residual, but we'll see if it fixed itself. Kind of hope it has. It'll be obvious because it'll be all pulled up here, but there's still obviously some oil on the block and this thing's going to get hot. So I'll just have to let it run for a while and see if it does in fact go away.